The federal judge who presided over a challenge to the Obama administration's 6-month moratorium on deepwater oil drilling simultaneously owned stock in an oil company affected by the ban. This is according to a recently released financial disclosure statement. U.S. District Judge Martin Feldman sold the stock in ExxonMobil 14 days after the case was filed in New Orleans by a group of oil service firms, and less than 5 hours before he struck down the moratorium. Feldman said in a statement that he was unaware of his holdings in ExxonMobil and a smaller oil company until 9:45 p.m., the day before he issued his ruling. Even before this latest disclosure, Feldman was criticized by environmental groups and others for not recusing himself from the case. The groups pointed to his 2008 disclosure form, which showed that he had invested in companies involved in offshore oil and gas exploration. Feldman's 2009 form shows that he had sold his holdings in offshore drilling service firms, but continued to buy and sell energy stocks. In his ruling, Feldman said the Interior Department had failed to show that the oil spill triggered by the Deepwater Horizon rig blowout in April meant that there was imminent danger on all deepwater drilling rigs in the Gulf. By contrast, he said, quote, "The blanket, generic, indeed punitive moratorium has clearly harmed the industry in the region. U.S. law requires judges to withdraw from any lawsuit in which they have a direct financial interest, however small. Rules also forbid them from hearing cases in which their impartiality might reasonably be questioned or in which their financial interests would likely be substantially affected."